who are well off, kidogo, uko na kidogo zaidi, to help those who are worse off, wale ambao hawana kabisa, before you also become better off with them. That's the whole idea. So that's the context also I wanted to you as you navigate your public service, to understand where sometimes would you look for the limited resources to fund these programs of dignity.
Any other?
Yes.
You know you are Omar's compatriot.
Yes, my good friend. Today is very brave.
Just as you left, I saw you had said the media that we are selling mail.
No.
It was here yesterday.
Yes, we were actually on the cost of living issue.
So allow you,
yes.
Ignore Omar, just go straight to your questions. And Omogeni to close for us.
I'll start on the cost of living issue. I think what St. Omar is referring to. I was in Trans Nzoia yesterday and the farmers are very, very worried.
Eugene, we said what we say in rallies, including what I said in Kericho yesterday, we leave them in rallies. Omar, I will protect Eugene from those.
Thank you very, very much. So, the cost of living issue is one of the top issues in this dialogue, and the issue of electoral justice. Looking at your presentation, may I say you have greatly enriched our dialogue. When we started, actually, some of these areas like cost of living were no-go zones, opening of servers were no-go zones, but we're getting ideas, better and better ideas, so that by the close of our public hearings tomorrow, this committee will be better off to make recommendations. So I just want to thank you very, very much. Your colleagues from Kipra who are here, and they had told us, I think it was on page 2 of their presentation, a very sobering reality. And I agree with Omar that it's very good that independent commission should be able to advise independently, objectively, whether it's good news for government or not. And they have said that while the minimum wage increased by 12% in 2022, essential goods and services rose by 22%. They're making ends meet for many Kenyans, and Kenyan with our payslip is an endangered species. I'm happy that you have addressed some of the issues, like the issue of the housing levy. At first we heard it was on the basic, then we heard it was gross. So it's one area that every Kenyan with a payslip is feeling the heat. The other issue that you have, that will greatly enrich our recommendations is the issue of the levies and taxes. I promised Senator Omar, I will not repeat all the 16 levies because there are quite a number on fuel, about 16. When you go to the tokens, electricity, there are about 8. And all this is taking away the little disposable income from every family. They're feeling the pinch. Therefore, your recommendation